Welcome back to Demolition Worker. Today we explore the incredible world of silent demolition, where precision meets power in sensitive environments. Forget loud noises and massive dust clouds. This episode reveals how advanced technology transforms concrete destruction into a quiet, surgical operation. Imagine working right next to a busy hospital. Traditional wrecking balls are impossible here, so we rely on specialized cutting equipment. This is the realm of the diamond blade. It is a remarkable engineering marvel designed to slice through solid concrete effortlessly. The diamond blade spins at incredible speeds, cutting through thick walls without generating the disruptive vibrations of traditional heavy demolition machinery. Water is continuously sprayed onto the spinning blade to keep it cool and completely eliminate harmful dust particles from the air. This process transforms a chaotic demolition site into a calm environment, ensuring the safety and comfort of nearby residents and patients. Watch closely as the massive saw glides through the thick, reinforced concrete, moving as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. There are no sudden impacts or crashing sounds. The entire structure is carefully dismantled piece by piece, like reverse Lego blocks. Workers monitor the automated cutting machines remotely, ensuring absolute precision while maintaining a safe distance from the heavy falling concrete blocks. Every single cut is calculated with mathematical accuracy, preventing any accidental structural failures and keeping the remaining building perfectly stable today. The diamond segments on the steel core grind away the tough concrete matrix, exposing and severing the hidden steel rebar easily. This specialized technique allows contractors to remove specific sections of a building without disturbing the daily operations happening just next door. Notice how clean the work area remains. The continuous water flow captures all the fine dust before it can become airborne. A slurry vacuum system immediately extracts the muddy water, leaving the concrete surface incredibly clean and ready for the next phase. When working inside luxury residential towers, minimizing noise pollution is an absolute priority for our highly skilled professional demolition engineering teams. Residents living just one floor below often have absolutely no idea that major structural walls are being removed right above them. The track saw is securely mounted to the wall, providing a rigid guide for the heavy cutting head to travel perfectly. Operators adjust the depth of the cut gradually, making multiple passes until the blade finally breaks through the entire concrete thickness. Once a section is completely severed, specialized rigging equipment is used to safely lower the heavy concrete block to the ground. These massive concrete blocks can weigh several tons, requiring careful planning and heavy lifting machinery to remove them from the site. The precision of diamond cutting means there is absolutely no collateral damage to the surrounding architecture or vital internal plumbing systems. Traditional jackhammers create micro fractures in the remaining concrete, but diamond cutting leaves a perfectly smooth and structurally sound edge behind. This smooth edge is crucial when contractors need to seamlessly integrate new structural elements or install large architectural windows and doors. Wire sawing is another incredible technique used for exceptionally thick concrete structures that standard circular diamond blades simply cannot fully penetrate. A continuous loop of diamond-infused wire is threaded through small drilled holes and pulled tightly around the massive concrete structure. A series of hydraulic pulleys drives the wire at high speeds, slicing through the solid mass with unbelievable power and precision. This method is often utilized for removing massive bridge piers, heavy industrial machine foundations, and thick underground military bunker concrete walls. The flexibility of the diamond wire allows operators to cut complex shapes and tackle structures of virtually any size or configuration. Safety protocols are strictly enforced on these modern demolition sites, with workers wearing specialized protective gear and maintaining clear communication constantly. The absence of deafening noise makes it much easier for the crew members to communicate effectively and coordinate their complex movements. Silent demolition represents a massive leap forward in construction technology, prioritizing environmental responsibility and human comfort over brute force and speed. Urban renewal projects increasingly demand these sophisticated techniques to minimize disruption in densely populated cities with strict noise and dust regulations. The initial investment in diamond cutting equipment is significant, but the long-term benefits in safety and efficiency are totally undeniable. Let us take a closer look at the diamond segments themselves. They are composed of synthetic industrial diamonds embedded in metal. As the blade cuts, the metal matrix slowly wears away, constantly exposing fresh and incredibly sharp diamond crystals to the concrete. This self-sharpening mechanism ensures that the blade maintains its cutting efficiency throughout its lifespan, even when slicing through heavy rebar. The amount of water used is carefully regulated to provide optimal cooling without creating a massive flooding hazard on the floor. Advanced recycling systems can capture, filter, and reuse the cooling water, making the entire demolition process much more sustainable and eco-friendly. Every project begins with a detailed structural analysis to determine the safest and most efficient cutting sequence for the entire building. Engineers use advanced software to map out the exact location of hidden utilities, post-tension cables, and critical load-bearing supports. Accidental cutting of a post-tension cable can be catastrophic, so ground-penetrating radar is often used to scan the concrete. Once the structural map is verified, the demolition team meticulously marks the exact cutting lines directly onto the solid concrete surfaces. The setup process requires extreme precision, as even a minor misalignment can cause the heavy blade to bind and become stuck. Hydraulic power units provide the immense rotational force required to drive the large diamond blades through the dense and tough materials. These power units are often located far away from the actual cutting zone, further reducing the noise levels in the workspace. Core drilling is another essential component of silent demolition, used to create perfect circular openings for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. A cylindrical steel tube with diamond segments on the edge spins to extract a solid core of concrete from the wall. This technique is incredibly fast and leaves a perfectly finished hole that requires absolutely no additional patching or messy repair work. From tiny holes for electrical wires to massive openings for elevator shafts, diamond drilling offers unmatched versatility in modern building modification. The contrast between traditional demolition and this modern approach is truly staggering. One is chaotic destruction, while the other is surgical. We are witnessing the evolution of an industry, moving away from brute force towards a future defined by intelligence and precision. Hospitals deeply appreciate this technology as it allows them to expand and renovate their facilities without disturbing critical patient care areas. Imagine a complex surgery taking place just a few rooms away from a major structural demolition zone. It is now possible. The vibrations from traditional jackhammers can disrupt sensitive medical equipment, making silent cutting the only viable option for these critical environments. Historical building preservation also benefits immensely from these gentle techniques, allowing for targeted modifications without jeopardizing the fragile ancient structural integrity. Careful extraction of damaged sections ensures that the historical charm and architectural significance of the original building are beautifully preserved forever. The skill of the operator is just as important as the technology itself. It requires years of experience to master completely. They must constantly monitor the sound and feel of the machine, making subtle adjustments to the feed rate and water flow. A skilled operator can anticipate changes in the concrete density and adjust the cutting parameters to prevent blade damage and wear. The teamwork displayed on these sites is truly remarkable, with every member playing a crucial role in the complex dismantling process. Riggers, operators, and safety personnel work together in perfect harmony, ensuring that every massive concrete block is safely lowered and removed. As the building is slowly deconstructed, the surrounding neighborhood remains completely undisturbed, a testament to the power of modern engineering innovation. The clean, geometric lines left behind by the diamond blades are strangely beautiful, revealing the hidden inner structure of the architecture. You can clearly see the intricate web of steel reinforcement bars that once gave the massive concrete structure its incredible strength. This cross-section provides a fascinating glimpse into the complex engineering that goes into constructing our modern urban environments and skyscrapers. The removed concrete is not simply discarded. It is transported to specialized recycling facilities where it is crushed and repurposed entirely. This recycled aggregate can be used as a base material for new roads and foundations, completing the sustainable construction life cycle. Even the steel rebar is extracted using powerful magnets and sent to foundries to be melted down and forged into steel. Silent demolition is not just about reducing noise. It is about creating a smarter, cleaner, and more responsible approach to construction. The efficiency of this process often results in faster project completion times, saving contractors and developers significant amounts of money ultimately. By minimizing disruption to the surrounding area, businesses can remain open and residents can continue their daily lives without any interruption. The future of urban development relies heavily on our ability to adapt and modify existing structures with minimal environmental impact always. As our cities become increasingly dense, the demand for silent, vibration-free demolition techniques will only continue to grow and expand. We are moving towards a world where construction and demolition can coexist peacefully with the delicate fabric of our daily lives. The diamond blade is the unsung hero of this quiet revolution, a symbol of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit forward. It is a tool that allows us to reshape our physical world with unprecedented precision, cleanliness, and respect for our neighbors. Next time you see a building undergoing renovation, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology that makes it all possible. Behind the protective scaffolding, highly skilled professionals are using advanced diamond cutting equipment to carefully sculpt the future of our cities. They are the modern-day artisans of destruction, using water and diamonds to carve through concrete with elegant precision and grace. The absence of dust means the air remains clean and breathable, protecting the health of both the workers and the public. The absence of noise means the city can continue its vibrant symphony without the harsh interruption of heavy industrial wrecking machinery. This is the true power of silent demolition, the ability to transform our environment without causing unnecessary stress or widespread damage. It is a perfect harmony of destructive force and surgical precision, a delicate balance achieved through decades of engineering and innovation. From the initial structural assessment to the final removal of the concrete blocks, every step is executed with flawless professional accuracy. The technology continues to evolve, with new blade designs and automated robotic systems promising even greater efficiency and safety for tomorrow. Remote-controlled demolition robots are now entering the field, allowing operators to work from a completely safe and comfortable distant location. These agile machines can navigate tight spaces and perform complex cutting maneuvers with a level of precision that humans cannot match. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning will soon allow these robots to optimize their cutting strategies in real time. We are standing on the brink of a new era in construction, where intelligent machines and advanced materials redefine the impossible. The silent demolition revolution is a shining example of how innovation can solve complex challenges and improve our collective urban experience. It proves that progress does not have to be loud, messy, or disruptive to be incredibly effective and profoundly transformative overall. As we conclude our journey into the world of silent demolition, we hope you have gained a new appreciation for this. The next time you walk past a quiet construction site, you will know exactly what incredible magic is happening hidden inside. You will visualize the spinning diamond blades, the cooling water, and the massive concrete blocks being carefully lowered to the ground. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of modern engineering, where we uncover the hidden mechanisms of our world. This has been Demolition Worker. Remember to subscribe for more deep dives into the incredible machinery that shapes our modern society.